Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to create Lloyds Bank account. To start, open your internet browser and then search for create account on Lloyds Bank. Then in here, you'll be getting some search results. Click on the link that says open a current account online via lloydsbank.com. On the website, you will need to scroll down and then go to Classic, then tap on the button that says Classic. Once you click on it, you'll now be redirected into this page. In here, you're going to click on Log On, then tap on Personal. Or, if you don't have one yet, click on Register. Once you are now on Register, all you have to do this time is to get started. Input all your details necessary for Lloyds Bank to input them into your server. First, add your title, your first name, your last name, then your date of birth, and then your UK postcode. If you don't live in the UK, click on the checkbox. And then over at your account, you can choose whether it's a current or savings account. Input your sort code and then your account number. Then click on the continue button on the bottom right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.